the sea, there's the sun. I'm Angela Butthoff, and this is Hollywood Star Treatment. Yes, we're in LA, bringing top Tinseltown tips straight to your door. On today's programme, how to get the Gwyneth Paltrow look. Ooh, it's quite revealing, but then she hasn't got any boobs, so that's okay. Meet the Beverly Hills breast expert. These are like second-hand ones.
Yes.
Plus, we sample the star's luxury facial. That's the caviar.
That's the actual caviar, see?
And try out every teen's fantasy.
Isn't it, darling?
That's fabulous. Cheerleading. Hollywood! It's plastic surgery heaven. You name it, they can fix it. I'm on my way to see the man they call the Beverly Hills breast expert, Dr. Frederick Corbin. Known for his work on some of the world's most famous Playboy centerfolds and Baywatch babes. The man is a miracle maker, just as well. So when people come in, do they have a good idea of what they want?
Yes.
Do they know the cup size?
Yeah, they do, but I help them by giving them a bra that's one size fits all, and then having them put implants in the bra until they come to the size they think they want to be.
That's fantastic. I really think I should try that on. Are these all real
first
implants?
Of all, these are real implants that are not being used now, obviously. They're probably taken out of patients who wanted to go larger.
These are like second-hand ones?
Yes.
Are you serious?
The nice part about it, I can use them now to help size patients.
Right.
And it lets me know, first of all, whether the patient's desires are realistic.
Right.
Sometimes you have a patient come in who's super, super small, and then wants the largest implant possible put in, and you physically can't do it.
Seriously? Is there a limit to how big you can go?
Oh, right off the bat, absolutely.
And I'm going to go and try on this bra, and maybe the first size?
Sure.
See how that goes down?
There are smaller ones out there, but...
Really? I suspect I'm smaller than these, so let's just try these out. Hello!
Hi!
This is a whole load of fun. You've got to see this bra I'm wearing. It's hilarious. Really unattractive undergarment. And I like that they've made the effort to put a bit of lace on there. Anyway, so this gives me a pretty good idea of what it's like to be a C-cup.
Well, that is pretty much the size that most women want to be.
This is like the average that people...
Right.
This looks really big to me.
Well...
I mean, on me.
Maybe for you, but not in Los Angeles. Let's just see out of curiosity. You're 36, 29, and you're 38, see?
I'm perfectly balanced now.
Well, you're more balanced, whereas before you're, one could argue, pear-shaped.
Yeah. What's the next size up?
Well, this is a lot bigger, so you'll have fun putting those in, for the camera at least.
Right you are then.
Let's see, you were 36 before, and now, see, look at that, you are now 38.
So how do you actually get the implants into the breast?
Well, basically, there are 4 different approaches that can be used. The oldest approach, and perhaps the one that's most common, is through an incision underneath the bottom of the breast, what's called the inframammary incision. Another approach is through an incision that runs right along the areolar border, called the periareolar approach.
What, the nipple? He can do that, because obviously these aren't my real breasts, remember.
A third approach is through an incision underneath the crease, and you see you have a nice little crease in your armpit right in there.
I can see that.
And then, finally, they can even be done through an incision right around your belly button.
In your belly button?
In your belly
button.
button.
Why on earth would you, like put it in there and then shove it?
And then you create a tunnel all the way up to the breast and place the saline implants through that. You obviously cannot place a silicone gel implant in through that approach.
And how much does a boob job with you cost?
Well, I actually don't quote fees in my office, but an augmentation mammoplasty fee can range anywhere from as low as $5,000 to as high as $10,000.
So at this point, I might have to go for the ultimate supersizing of my breast. What's the biggest size you've got here
Well,
today?
I think what you have in right now is a 500cc implant. The largest implant made is a 1200cc implant. So you could literally take and combine those 2 implants.
Wow.
And you'd have a 1200cc implant.
That sounds great. I'm going to do that.
Okay.
I'm guessing this sort of isn't going to be terribly flattering, but I'm prepared to give it a go. Okay, this is the biggest size implant that exists, thank goodness. And already it's kind of circus freak sized. Scary boob job, and I'm telling you, I've seen people wandering around LA
with boobs this size.